Imagine moving to a country where you don't just work, you get a visa, support for relocation, and a chance to earn while building a future. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Before we dive in, I want you to comment below. If you could move to Ireland right now with your visa fully sponsored, which job would you pick? Warehouse, kitchen, retail, or cleaning? Drop it in the comments. I'll be reading every single one. And hit that like button because today I'm sharing real employers actively hiring foreigners right now. These are verified, low-skill jobs with visa sponsorship. Stick with me to the end and you will know exactly where to apply, salaries, work conditions, and tips to get your visa passed. Hi everyone, welcome back once again to the channel. If you are new here, you're very much welcome. My name is Peace, and on this channel, I share everything relocation that will help you study, live, and work in abroad. So feel free to hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so. And if it's your first time, you comment the word first time. I want to welcome you especially. Okay? And don't forget to share and also drop your thoughts in the comment section. I respond to all of them. And to my returning subscribers, my real G, you know how we do it here. Real info, verified links. Thank you for watching. So without further ado, let's dive right back in. If you've been dreaming of moving abroad but worried about visas or experience, this video is for you. We are covering retail, hospitality, cleaning, warehouse, logistics, and security roles, all with verified visa sponsorship. No degree needed, no long experience required. You will see exact companies, roles, salaries, and application links that make moving to Ireland not just possible but achievable. Why Ireland, you may ask? 1. Growing economy. Demands for workers is increasing across sectors. 2. English-speaking environment is easier adaptation for foreigners. 3. The quality of life. Healthcare, safety, and beautiful landscapes. 4. Visa sponsorship friendly employers. They have multiple verified companies that hires non-EU workers. Yes, there are challenges. Higher living costs in Dublin, unpredictable weather. But for foreigners willing to relocate, the benefits far outweigh the hurdles. So, I'm going to tell you how visa sponsorship works. Are you hearing me now? Okay. So, in Ireland, most non-EU workers need a general employment permit, which is known as the GEP. Okay. But the good news is that the employers in this video I'll be mentioning are experienced in sponsoring this permit. Okay. And some positions offer relocation assistance and accommodation, making it much easier to settle. Entry-level roles start around 30,000 euros per year, which is livable while you gain experience. You know, I love it so much. I'm giving you a pro tip, okay? Apply early. These positions fill fast, especially in hospitality and retail, okay? So now I'll take it step by step, sector by sector, okay? Because most of my subscribers, they've asked me to bring a video on warehouse. So this video contains all of that, okay? Not just healthcare, all right? So sector 1, retail jobs. So the company hiring right now is Tesco Ireland and Primark in Princes, okay? So for Tesco Ireland, the roles are cashiers, shelf stackers, warehouse staff, okay? And the salary is 11 to 13 euros an hour. Work conditions, they have flexible shifts, employee discounts, supportive environment. In terms of visa, some locations actively sponsor GEP, okay? And for Primark in Prentice, okay, not all Primark, this particular location is in Prentice, okay. The roles is shop assistants, stockroom staff, customer service, and the salary is between 10 to 12 euros an hour. And for perks, discounts, career progression, and training. Visa wise, select store sponsor non-EU applications. Okay, so in your CV, please highlight any customer service experience. Adaptability is key. Before I proceed further, if you are my channel member, please, and you're interested in applying in this role, send me an email so that I can prepare a good CV and a cover letter for you. Okay, check my channel description, you'll see my email address. Please send it to me. Only my channel members. Okay, if you're not my channel members, please do not send me an email. I'll not respond to you. Okay, so channel members, send me an email. Let's work one-on-one with you. Okay, so the next sector is sector 2, fast food and hospitality. Supermarkets, they are hiring right now. The roles include cooks, servers, dishwashers, kitchen porters, and the salary is between 11 to 14 euros an hour. For work conditions, staff get meals sometimes, okay, and their shift varies. And for visa, location sponsor GEP for non-EU workers. Hotels and hospitality chains. The roles hiring right now is housekeeper, kitchen assistant, and cleaners. Salary 10 to 12 euros an hour. Many rural hotels sponsor work permits. I choose to give you guys the salary rate so that I know the one that works best for you, okay? And a pro tip as well, flexible adaptability increases chances of sponsorship, okay? So you must let them know that you are willing to relocate, okay? And as always, links will be in my description. Do not hurry or skip this video to try and apply. Watch it to the end so that you know how exactly you can go about it, okay? Sector 3, cleaning and facility management. ISS Ireland. The roles include janitors, cleaners, building support staff, and the salary is between 11 to 13 euros an hour. Non-EU workers are eligible for the GEP. Okay, that's a visa permit. Okay, another group is called ZX and Compass Group, and their roles include kitchen staff, kitchen assistants, cleaners. Okay, and salary is between 10 to 13 euros an hour. These companies are experienced in sponsoring. Okay, a pro tip as well, reliability and ability to work independently are crucial. These key points, these key skills should be seen in your CV or your cover letter. Okay. Sector 4, warehouse and logistics. Amazon Island. The roles hiring right now is pickers, packers, forklift operators, and the salary is between 12 to 15 euros an hour. And the work conditions is that most times your shifts are being rotated, okay, and some night shifts pay higher, okay. MCR Group is another company hiring right now, and the roles is general warehouse and logistics staffing, and salary ranges from 10 to 14 euros an hour, and they are active in hiring non-EU workers. Physical fitness and teamwork are highly valued, okay, so make sure that you have physical strength, okay. Sector 5 is the security and general services. This one is only one company that I see that is recruiting, okay, and it's called the G4S Ireland, okay, and the roles recruiting for is security guards, building attendant, okay, so and the pay range between 12 to 15 euros an hour, and some positions sponsor GEP, okay, and for this particular company, training sometimes are provided by the employer, and willingness to work shift help. As always, all of these links from sector 1 to sector 5, I'm dropping them in my description, okay. Now, before I move further, please like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to a wider audience, okay. do me a favor, share this video, alright? And okay, if you have ever wanted to say thank you to me, then you can make use of the super chat and super thanks, okay? So let's talk about the step-by-step application guide. Prepare CV and cover letter. Like I said before, channel members, you can send me an email if you are interested in working in any of these sectors so that I can give you a good CV and a cover letter you can use, okay? And for the general public, my subscribers, okay, you have to highlight your adaptability, your reliability, and your motivation in your CV, okay? As well, confirm the role explicitly states sponsorship is available, okay? And apply via the verified sources I'll be providing as well. Indeed, Irish Jobs and company career pages. And also, you can track the application once you apply, then follow up politely after 1 to 2 weeks. You can prepare for interviews, okay? Channel members, I can help you polish and prepare you for your interview, okay? So this is also a benefit of becoming my channel member, okay? Show flexibility, teamwork, and willingness to relocate. An extra tip that will help you is that include references if you have past work experience, even if it's informal, okay? So now, before I bring this video to a close, let me give you a quick relocation advice and tips. For the cost of living, Dublin is high, so consider Cork, Galway, Limerick for cheaper options, okay? And for accommodation, some employers provide housing, especially in hospitality and cleaning. Then language. English fluency helps, but basic functional English is often enough, okay? Then timing. Apply as soon as possible. Visa processes take 4 to 8 weeks once approved by employer, okay? So now is your to grab the opportunity when it comes live, all right? So this Sunday, I'm going to have a one-on-one live stream for my channel members, okay? So come in with all your questions and let's help you get started, all right? So until next time, I am definitely rooting for you. Jesus loves you, and I really do love you too. Thank you for watching, and bye.